Alright, so I ordered a Millennial Profit Mystery Box. I figured Adam usually got good stuff that he sells, and I figured I wanted to see what he could throw together in a mystery box. So it was $55 on his merch website, where you can also get the bags from. I'm pretty 55. I'm pretty sure. Free ship, or you could pay a little bit more to get it a little faster. I was not really in a huge rush to get it, but I did need inventory, but I wasn't in a huge rush to pay, the extra couple bucks to get it here. So let's see what we got. Okay, I see green on top. What is that, a tote bag? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, starting off with one of the tote bags. I do have one of these already, so we'll add that to the collection. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, PS2 game. Interesting. It's probably not worth a whole lot, but it's still cool. This is an okay shape. I don't think you guys can see it. It's in okay shape. It's not the greatest shape. What even is this? Open it up, see what the hell this is. What the hell is this? I can't even see it. I can't even get it in frame. It's like a ghost kind of thing. It almost feel like it's kind of like a lantern or something. Or I guess it's just like a decoration. Not focusing very well. Yeah, it's kind of just like a decoration, I guess. Okay then. I'm not really sure what I want to do with that, but... Oh, what is this? Color changing tumbler. Okay then. And that's supposed to be Michigan. I don't know college teams, so don't ask me what that is. Fitbit little bracelet. I think that's what that's what the writing says that you can't see. Whatever this is. Let's see, a little bag. A little tote bag. Oh, Cowboys. Cowboys. I'm surprised he parted with this. Polar bottle. Fairly simple. Into the list. Here we go. Now we're getting into kind of what I think will be like some of the better stuff, maybe. Alright, we got a pair of gold Crocs. Right, these are actually Crocs, yeah. Oh. Classic Animal Remix Clog. Size Men 12. So, not a bad size. That should be nice. What the hell is this? What is this? Okay then, whatever that is. Why, that's, what the hell is that pile? Mobile case. The new case. What the hell is this? I don't know what this is either. 2-pack Candy Kids. Something. What? It's Amazon. Don't even focus. Amazon something. Amazon, whatever it is. That's where it came from. 2 kind of just blank beanies. At least fit my head. Oops, did I throw it on the floor? I don't think so. They look kind of small. Yeah, a little small. Actually, they do go over my ears. I might have myself a a backup beanie. Alright, throw that over there. Aston Martin. So it's just like an Aston Martin kind of like flag, I guess. Throw that over there. $20. Oh boy, 2 of them. Oh, we got the $20 price tag on it, but then on the inside MSRP is $27.99. They're nice. Top of the world headwear. I don't really know that much about hats. Red Hawks. So those are probably will be nice when they do sell. Because they're probably like 20 plus ship maybe, if I had to guess. New Era Diamondbacks. Another hat from Outfitters. The hats. See, that's kind of what I was hoping for, is like hats, because that's like easy to sell. Alpha glass for iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. Seahawks. Someone might want it because it's Seahawks on our box. But we're on 15 now. What the hell is this? Mantle clip for if you wanted to put like I assume if you wanted to put like stockings on it. Yeah, stocking decorations. So this might actually sell like right away. So that should be, it's the perfect time of year for that. Oh, got some Supreme stickers. Throw those right in the trash. I don't do that crap. Some NHL socks. I mean, we're getting back into hockey season, so that might be useful. You know, slash sell right away. And we got one more thing. That's just the tag. Alright, then we got 2 pieces of clothing, which I'm not a big fan of clothing, but I got it. We'll sell it. Shirt. Busch Gardens Authentic Original. Large. That's not very helpful. Rugby. $43.95 each. Yeah, Busch Gardens rugby shirt. Large. Okay then. I don't know anything about rugby, so. And the last thing is Columbia Northern Reach scarf. Again, getting into the time of year for that. But who the hell would want to wear this as a scarf? This is like, this would be suffocating. I mean, I don't wear scarves to begin with, but that seems like it would just be suffocating. Let's see, I got it from Marshall's. $50 retail. $8 at Marshall's. Red tag 24. Red tags, obviously no one wanted this. It's been sitting around a while. Let's see. I'm gonna pull this tag off. Maybe. It's not gonna come willingly. It's gonna rip the red one underneath. Whatever. I got Scotty peelers and Goo Gone for that. So that is the mystery box. And you can see it's empty now. So I guess not a bad assortment. As long as it focuses here and you can see what I'm looking at. I guess not a bad assortment of stuff. Like I said, this probably not like, you know, it's not super valuable. It should sell. Definitely in fourth quarter. Probably same with these since we're getting back into hockey. Since hockey just started up again. The hats kind of just whatever. You know, hats, as he always says, they're not super fast sellers. So the Crocs, if I had to guess, the best thing in here is probably the Crocs. If I had to guess, in terms of value, the best thing in here. Because the rest of it, yeah, it's probably the best thing is the Crocs. Maybe the hats is probably like second. It's probably second best. Those 2 Red Hawks. So that's really it for the mystery box. I think he said it's supposed to be 20 items. I think I'd have to, yeah, I think it's supposed to be 20 items, and like sometimes there might be like returns in there that he didn't check. But like a lot of times returns don't necessarily mean anything. I mean, I got one today. I have another one coming in the next couple days, and that was the only reason that got returned was my own fault. I thought it was a 300 watt transformer with the 200 watt. That's my own fault that I got from a Home Depot returns pallet, and I didn't actually look on the back of the transformer to make sure that it actually was a 300 one. It just looked like the one in the box, so I just went with it. So other than that, like I said, there's like a few things like this. Like, what the hell am I going to do with that? Or this. Maybe this. These are like, I don't know either what I'm going to do with those. Other than maybe keep the one. Or like this, what I'm going to do with this. Other than put it outside right now and hope it doesn't get wrecked. So, like I said, this might be, or I don't know if it's like how great it'll be. I don't think it'll be that good, but that's video games, you know, are usually pretty easy money all day long. So, all right, I'll get to looking this stuff up, see what kind of money can be made, and then probably start listing this or finish off some of the other pallets that I have of things that need to be listed, which actually is pretty much done. Yeah, I just got this one lower to get cleaned up and pictured, and then otherwise I'm done with the with that other Home Depot pallet. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on a What Sold video.